Hi, welcome to Easy to Learn. In this video, we will be learning about operators in C. Here's the mind map diagram for operators, which shows different categories of operators such as arithmetic, relational, assignment, logical, bitwise, increment-decrement, and others. Arithmetic operators. In the following table, we have the list of arithmetic operators used, along with their meaning: plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulo division. Here's an example program for arithmetic operators. We take two values a and b and we find the result of a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a by b, and a modulo b, and print the result. The next is assignment operator. The operator used is equal to and the meaning is equals. It assigns right side value to the left side. Here's a simple example program for assignment operator. Int a equal to 10, b equal to a. In this line, we have used assignment operator and we are assigning the value of 10 to a and a to b. Arithmetic assignment operators. The following table will list out all the arithmetic assignment operators such as equal to stands for assigning a right hand side value to the left hand side. We also have some more operators which come into this category such as plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, modulo division equal to, double greater than equal to, double less than equal to, ampersand equal to. Example program for arithmetic assignment operations. We use two values a and b and we find the operations such as a equal to a plus b, which can be replaced with the statement a plus equal to b. Similarly, a equal to a minus b can be replaced as a minus equal to b, and so on. Precedence of operators in C. The following table will list you out all the categories of operators along with their associativity and precedence. Postfix operators, the operators and associativity, for example, left to right. Similarly, we have the other operators in the table: unary, multiplicative, additive, shift, relational, equality, bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, logical and, logical or, and conditional. This program explains arithmetic operators in C. A, B are two variables which take up the values 3, 2. C, D, E, F are used to calculate the results. C equal to A plus B, D calculates the result of A minus B, E calculates the product, and F calculates the division of A by B. Now let's see the output. Run the sum, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Thank you. This program explains logical operators in C. Logical and, logical or, and logical not. If both the conditions are true, then the result for this statement will be true. That is, 1 gets printed. If either of the condition is true, then the result for this statement will be true. If the condition is true, then not of this condition will be false, and if the condition is false, not of the condition will be true. Let's see the output. Run the program, and here's the output 110, which indicates the first statement is true, the second statement is true, and the third statement is false.
Why to choose Easy to Learn? What Easy to Learn provides us with? Lots of information, web content, video tutorials, mind maps, animations, code practice, quiz, reports, projects, certification, and many more. Everything under one platform. Kindly subscribe us at our YouTube channel and visit our website for more details. That is easytolearn.co. Please like our Facebook page at /easytolearn.co. Thank you.